Oh, you know what though? My stomach's already irritated. Maybe not something like so spicy. Mexican food. But I can always make Mexican food, so maybe not.
Pasta. Oh, no. Carbs. Too many carbs. Let's see. Well, we can always try.
Hey, Karla, it's lunchtime. So what are we having today?
What about some pizza? Oh no, actually, that'll make me so bloated. Thai food. We love Thai food.
Yes, yellow curry. Let's.
Oh, you know what though? My stomach's already irritated. Maybe not something like so spicy. Mexican food. But I can always make Mexican food, so maybe not.
Pasta. Oh, no. Carbs. Too many carbs. Let's see. Well, we can always try some Italian, but that's just as bad. Oh, that burger sounds good. You know what? That's like super greasy.
Hey, Karla. What's up? Yeah, do you take forever to make a decision?
Well, did you bring me something?
Yeah, I brought you a burger.
Oh, you know what? No, it's okay. I'm probably not even gonna eat. I'm just
Oh.
I don't know. I think it was funny.
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
Hi.
Hey, can I take your order?
Oh yeah, I'll have the salmon. I love it. It's so good here.
I think I'll do the salmon. Actually, no.
Oh my god, no. Okay, she'll have the chicken.
The chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
And just the raspberry iced tea.
Raspberry iced tea?
And I'll have the lemonade. Thank you.
Okay,
You
let me-
always do this, Karla. Just let me order for you. She'll have that.
We're good?
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
All right.
I wanted the chicken.
I knew you wanted the chicken.
Oh,
I ordered the chicken for you.
okay. I think I'm allergic to chicken. Okay, it's okay.
You're not allergic to
Okay.
That's another bird.
Let's see. What do I want to watch today? Maybe. Oh, that show that was really cool the other day. Wait. A movie.
Yes, what's
No. Maybe a stand-up. I'm trying to practice my
stand-up comedy?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'm gonna be a comedian.
That sounds cool.
Oh, actually, oh my god, remember that Disney movie that just came out? No, I'm kind of in the mood for something dark. But then I get scared at night. Hold on. Ooh, that one show that we started watching yesterday. Yeah, let's watch that.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, you know what? Hold on, no. I need snacks. I'm gonna go grab some food. Okay, I'll be back.
Alright. Karla, I've been waiting for you for like an hour. Can you just pick some chips?
I can't. They're all so good.
Let's go. Come on, we're gonna be late.
Hold on. What do you think? These or these? They're like almost the same flavor, but they're different in texture.
Just get them both.
Yeah, you're right. Actually,
All right.
oh no, I don't want that one. Okay, let's go.